Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna teach Nadia about the cooking vocabulary สบายดีทุกคนมื้อนี้ขอสิสอนนางนาเดียคำศัพท์เกี่ยวกับการแต่งกินว่าเพิ่นมักเฮ็ดลิ้นแต่งกินเนาะมื้อนี้ขอสิสอนเป็น verb เนาะแล้วก็สิพาเพิ่นสร้างประโยคแล้วก็แปลอันนี้ดินอนอยู่นี่ก็เห็น Are you ready baby? Yeah, get up please. Yeah, gonna teach you about the cooking vocabulary. Yeah. Are you ready? Okay. So, the first vocabulary. What's that? Oh, wait. ร้อนป่านนี้ก็ให้ใส่ผ้าพันคอ Okay.
It's cold.
It's not that cold. It's very hot.
It's cold.
No, in Laos, it's not in England or Germany. It's not that cold. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, baby, where is it?
I cannot.
You don't know. Okay, so it's pour.
I used to box.
No, it's not about pour.
Her.
Okay, so now we're gonna make a sentence. I
pour
the water, yes, into a glass. I pour the water into a glass. What does it mean in Lao?
Distance.
Translate into Lao, please. I pour the water into a glass. ค่อยเทน้ำใส่จอก very good. So now this one? No, this one.
No, this one.
Okay, this
Oh,
one.
this one.
Okay, this one.
And this one.
No. Boy, be careful my computers over here.
And this one. And this one. This one.
And what do we say here? No, maybe stop. What do you say? We say blend.
No. It's
Blend.
not blend. It's a blend.
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 No kidding. Blend.
Blend.
Yes.
Blend.
Okay, so listen to me. We blend some fruits to make smoothie. Baby, stop. We blend some fruits to make smoothie. Blend some fruits to make smoothie.
Smoothie.
Yeah พวกเขาปั่นหมากไม้เพื่อเฮ็ดน้ำปั่น Yes High five Yes Okay
High five.
Okay so now the last one So what did we say
I want to high five.
Okay This one we say sprinkle Sprinkle What does it mean in Lao Sprinkle is mean No You say hoi Yes hoi Yeah for example I sprinkle sugar on a cake